Good morning, Northtown, and welcome to our Monday show. I'm Sarah Ragsdale.
And I'm Sarah Clam. Today is Monday, December 9th, and coming up today, we'll bring you What's Buzzing Around Northtown, do a Hornet Shoutout, Today in History, Poll Question, and get you ready for the week ahead.
All on NTV News. Let's get started with a look at what's buzzing around Northtown.
This week is Holiday Spirit Week. Today is Holiday Pajamas. Tomorrow is Color Wars. Wednesday is Holiday Movie Attire. Thursday is Holiday Hats and Socks. And Friday is Ugly Christmas Sweater Day. The final attendance recovery of the semester will be Tuesday from 2:45 to 4:30 in the South Campus. To attend, you must have something to work on and must have attended school that Tuesday. Attendance recovery is intended for students who have missed a class for a verified reason.
Credit recovery courses on launch that need to be posted for first semester credit for eligibility or graduation must be completed by December 20th. This is the last day of attendance for first semester. All other recovery courses will continue into second semester.
Northtown families. College preparation starts early. Casey Scholars is here at North Kansas City High School, and students can earn up to $50,000 in scholarships by participating. The application opens on January 1st, 2020. Last year, 14 Northtown students earned the scholarship. The application is open to any freshman, junior, or senior at North Kansas City High School. Contact Mr. Carlick for more information.
FCCLA is sponsoring a towel drive for the homeless through Restart of KC. Please bring in any size towels and washcloths to the food room, B145, or one of the collection containers throughout the building anytime before Thursday. Last week was the Winter Sports Assembly. Here are some highlights.
Last week in Advisory, Snow Alley came to Northtown to give a presentation with their search and rescue dogs. Take a look.
Last week, the people from Snow Alley Search and Recovery came during Advisory and talked to students about the process of training their dogs.
We assist law enforcement and fire in looking for human remains and missing persons.
Students also got to meet and play with 3 of the dogs.
Under our roof right now, we have 3 that are actively working. Missouri Search and Rescue has 12. Tasks has 4. Those are all teams we cross-train with.
The dogs go through rigorous training for 2 years and they retire at the age of 8.
There's always someone who deserves a shout out at Northtown. And this week, we want to give a shout out to our very own Kirsten Buck, a member of our Hornet Band. She is an all-state oboe player. Our Hornet Band never ceases to amaze us, and they are even more recognized as more outstanding. Keep up the good work, Kirsten.
Today in history, a Charlie Brown Christmas debuts on CBS. On December 9th, 1965, A Charlie Brown Christmas debuted. After the comic strip's debut in 1950, Peanuts had become popular worldwide by the 1960s. The episode of Charlie Brown was sponsored by Coca-Cola and was written over a few weeks and produced on a very limited budget in a matter of mere months. In this episode, Charlie finds himself sad and lonely despite the cheerful holiday season. Lucy tells him that he should direct the neighborhood Christmas play. After Linus tells Charlie about the true meaning of Christmas, he cheers up, and the famous friend group is able to celebrate the holiday season with joy. There are over 13,000 drawings in this special, with 12 frames per second to create the illustration of movement. This special usually airs twice a year during the month of December. The 50th anniversary broadcast aired on November 30th, 2015, and was a full 2-hour special with musical guests. It called It's Your 50th Christmas, Charlie Brown, which was hosted by Kirsten Bell.
For this week's poll, we want to know, what winter holidays do you celebrate? To respond, look for an email from Ms. Dollinger.
And there's our show for today, Northtown. For photos and announcements, you can find us and like us on Facebook at NKC Journalism. To find more NTV episodes and videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, NTV at NKCHS. And to stay up to date on everything that's buzzing around Northtown, follow us on Twitter at Northtown News.
Thanks for watching Northtown. Keep it classy.
And as always, it's a great day to be a Hornet.